So here we are, coming to White Castle.
The line goes all the way back here, plus wraps around the store. They said that it's over 2 hours wait for driving and 1 hour for dining.
So 2 hours from this point, and we're
Look
gonna.
at the sign right there.
Yeah, the sign is over there, and we're going to
We're
look at all
dipping
these people.
for some sliders, man.
Look, there's a rainbow right over it too.
That's mind
So
blowing.
that's White Castle there. So yeah, there's just like a lot of loops and stuff.
Second attempt, 6 minutes away from White Castle. And let's hand on over the GoPro to...
Hand it over. There we got the Ferris wheel and...
Drop of Fear.
No, that's not the drop of fear. That's a swing set, I believe. Annual pass is starting at $12 per month.
SeaWorld does have the best like bang for your buck though.
Look, we got a Dollar Tree, liquor store, Taste of Asia.
On the open road.
Hi, for drive-through?
Drive-through?
Yeah.
Yep, just go down, make a U-turn, and wait in that turn lane, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, guys.
This is for the parking. This isn't the drive-through.
So where's the drive-thru? That's the drive-thru over there. This is the restaurant entrance. And believe it or not, they said that the drive-thru wait time was well over an hour and a half, 2 hours. And to dine in, it was about 30 minutes. And then we're going over there. You excited? Everyone's getting the what? The crave case?
The crave case.
Ooh, it smells good. Nothing like making a 1 hour line for average burgers, huh? What you say?
They even got merch over there.
The original slider since 1921. Get yourself in the vanilla Coke. Hey there. Waiting for your food. Ready for some food. Alright, the line is not as bad as yesterday.
No. Are you ready?
Ooh. Alright, what do we got? Show me the goods.
So, this is your bag.
Ooh, the Impossible sliders.
Yeah.
Oh, I like the little touch of lettuce and tomato there.
Look at my french fries.
Hold on. Ooh, what are those Kringle fries?
Crinkle fries.
Crinkle. So in case anyone is interested in the Impossible burger, comes in this packaging right here. It's $2.50 for each of these, and we also got ketchup and mayo. Let me see yours. Ooh, little cheeseburger. I didn't even notice you got the cheeseburger.
Oh yeah.
First reaction. You like it?
Nice and greasy and cheesy and fresh.
Ooh. And some of them got some onion. Look at the onions right there. Oh yeah. Has a little tomato, pickles, lettuce, and onions. Mmm. Pretty good. It's hitting the spot. Alright, so drink in hand, walking back to the car. We just ate. We're about to get into the review, but I told little Miss Erica to get me the shirt. And
So,
you were able to get the shirt,
I
huh?
got the shirt.
We got the shirt. Let's go. Little Orlando souvenir. We typically don't get Orlando souvenirs, but
This is special.
it just opened up. We're a little hyped. How you feeling, baby?
Full.
Can I see the shirt real quick? Let's see the shirt. Ooh, little White Castle, Orlando, Florida. Let everyone know you got the cheeseburger slider. All right, that's the one you got. You got the one that came with fries and a soda. It was 4 sliders, fries and a soda for $7.50. How do you compare it on the scale? Like, I know the one in Vegas was a little sloppier, even though it was pretty good. It was a little sloppier. This one, you can tell that they're trying to give you like that higher service.
Yeah.
You know, because it's overwhelmingly packed. The kitchen was, it looked like a warehouse in there of people just pumping out sliders. So plan ahead if you guys are coming to the White Castle in Orlando. But with everything that I just said in mind, considering that we waited, I would say roughly 40 minutes to get the food, plus wait in line and put in the order, all that good stuff. And then another 20 to eat. So it's like a 1 hour experience when you come early and plan ahead. All things considered, yeah. How do you feel about it?
Yeah, no, it was great. It was awesome. The cheese slices were a little too thick, so I felt like I was eating more grilled cheese with like...
Yeah, with a thin slice of meat.
Yeah. Other than that, I thought it was great. I freaking loved it, and I would come back.
Would you recommend to someone to come and go on this mission?
If you come early enough, yes. If
When
you're-
in Rome, right?
Yeah.
If you're out here on vacation.
Yeah. If you're coming in the afternoon after the parks or like for dinner or something, I would suggest getting something to eat beforehand.
Yeah, because we came yesterday close to dinner time, and the wait time for the drive-through was well over like
2 hours.
2 hours and a half, 3 hours. You guys saw I got the Impossible slider. If you guys are hell-bent on not eating the you know, the ground beef meat that they have, or the chicken patty that they have, then this is definitely a really good alternative. If you guys set your expectations accordingly and you come here under the impression that this is another McDonald's, another Wendy's, Burger King type of experience, but with sliders and a little bit of hype because of, you know, social media, the Harold and Kumar movies, and you know, it's a tourist trap in Orlando like it is in Vegas. And I think that White Castle is gonna be banking, and they should open more in Orlando, because the drive-through lines is just ridiculous. Like, it wraps into the street. Give it a shot, plan ahead, and you know, you may walk away with a little souvenir, whether it's a cup or a shirt. I like wearing these type of shirts, especially at home for our videos or whatnot. Considering that we never get any souvenirs from Orlando, I'm happy with the overall experience. So we're blasting the AC. It's really hot. Long live B-Days. Long live sliders. White Castle.
Oh yeah, because it's 100th.
Yeah, it's 100th birthday. Woo! Woo woo! Peace out. Let's go.